In this week's episode of Trick My Trailer, we take a look at what MORryde can do with a Grand Design reflection fifth wheel. The reflection is one of the leading selling fifth wheels on the market, and it's not hard to see why when you look at the combination of livability and functionality. While the reflection offers RVers great value already, MORryde is going to kick it up a notch. All fifth wheel trailers have a pin box and fifth wheel hitch. Both are steel and rigid, so fifth wheel owners experience jerking, chucking, bucking, and clunking while towing the trailer. That's where MORryde's rubber pin box comes to play. MORryde turns a rigid pin box into a flexible one with rubber shear spring moving back and forward and side to side to cushion and absorb the shock. The benefit? No more jerking, chucking, bucking, and clunking, and the towing in the truck is much more enjoyable for both the driver and the passenger. We all know the house is only as strong as its foundation, and since the suspension is what absorbs the shock from the rough roads, it's important to have the right equipment. The CRE3000 uses a unique travel slot and rubber spring to cushion and absorb road shock before it gets into the frame and sidewall and contents. That's why in 2020, Reflection started using the MORryde CRE3000 on all their units. This Reflection still has the standard suspension, so we're going to bring this one up to the current Reflection package. This means that this Reflection is now better protected from harsh road shock, and combined with MORryde Rubber Pin Box, towing becomes a pleasure instead of a harsh reality. Look closer and you'll see the MORryde Heavy Duty Shackle Kit. This kit features the half-inch shackle brackets, bronze bushings, and greasable bolts, which provides true peace of mind as you don't have to worry about worn-out bushings or brackets. That's another standard feature Reflection started using in 2020, and we're going to bring this Reflection up to spec. The tricked-out Reflection continues with MORryde StepAbove entry step. StepAbove gives owners the best in stability and security when entering and exiting the trailer. And Reflection is the first brand to incorporate the unique flip step tread feature, which makes cleaning the steps even easier. We're putting the flip step StepAbove on this Reflection, and it also includes a quick release hinge for easy step removal in tight quarters and gives you the residential rise and run, which makes walking up and down the steps more comfortable. Take a look at the space where the old step was. MORryde's storage box gives this Reflection added storage. It's perfect for storing wheel chocks, tools, and your dirty cleaning rags. Take a peek inside and check out the MORryde Chair Buddy. Most people have to strap down or put those dinette chairs on the ground so that they don't bounce around. Not with a Chair Buddy that attaches to the dinette and holds the chairs in place even over rough roads or quick starts and stops. Another pain point for RVers is dealing with the 50 amp power cords. They're a royal headache when it comes time to roll them and store them up. They can be dirty, heavy, and awkward to handle. But this Reflection has MORryde's Motorized Easy Reel, which makes storing simple, easy, and smooth. Simply push a button and the cord retracts. No more wrestling and no more hassles. When you're at the campsite, MORryde stability continues with the X-Brace front stabilizer by MORryde and Winfield products. The X-Brace design attaches to the front landing gear and literally locks the trailer in place, so gusting winds or people walking in and out don't affect the trailer. Check out the difference the X-Brace makes, as it's so much more stable and rock solid. How's that for a tricked-out Grand Design Reflection? This market leader was kicked up a notch with MORryde upgrades. Want to trick out your trailer? Reach out to us at sales@morryde.com.